The winner of the FC. Are you taking David on his brand new FC to get a badge of honor?
I still can't believe it.
But we're not going to have any badges or any honor after this. All right, guys, so we're here at the BleepinJeep fan ride. Dave, who won the FC, if you didn't watch a couple videos back, what we did is we put the all the names of the people that were entered to win the FC on the ground, kind of spread them out, and then ran over them with the tires of the FC. And there was some mud on the tire, and I kind of picked up a couple names. Then I asked the wife to pick out one of those, and it happened to be Dave. So Dave drove all the way down from Chicago area to come pick up this FC, and I asked him if he'd stick around until the last day, Sunday, even Monday maybe, and he doesn't know why yet, so let's check this out.
So I'm here with Mr. David Blank. This is the winner. What do you think about it?
It looks cooler in person than it does on the videos. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm giving him the rundown of the FC here. So this canvas I actually bought on Amazon.
That's your wipers. That's your headlights. That's your overdrive kill. You got your lockers.
What these are, yeah.
Yeah.
And I got you a BleepinJeep fire extinguisher, quick release mount right there.
Very good. It's really cool. That's all I can say.
We had a bunch of stuff just hanging in here when we were on our trip, just hanging from these bungee cords in the center here.
So we're not sure what this is, and it was on here originally. Nothing hooks to it.
I feel like I'm on a car lot test driving a new car.
The craziest part about it, though, is you already own the car you're test driving.
I know, it's crazy. It actually rides smoother than my CJ.
This is Dave Blank, and he won the FC, and you're coming from Illinois, right?
Yeah.
Close to Chicago?
Yeah.
And he's going to take it back and get it all rusty.
I hope not to get it hurt.
Dave was a Patreon supporter for I think it was 41 months or something like that, but I appreciate that. So last night I handed Dave the keys at the BleepinJeep fan ride raffle, but I asked him to stick around until tomorrow and not leave just yet, but he doesn't know why. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take Dave on trail 26. He doesn't know this yet, but 26 is a badge of honor trail, and it's pretty rough for an FC, so this is going to be exciting. Watch this. I remember there being a gnarly drop-in over here. People were telling me about it yesterday, so we're going to go real slow down through here.
So are we on trail 26?
This is trail 26, the drop-in.
Are you taking David on his brand new FC to get a badge of honor?
But we're not going to have any badges or any honor after this. But yeah, this is gnarly right here for the FC, and it's muddy, so I'm just going to be sliding down it. Wish us luck.
Good luck. This is steep. And slippy. Slippy. Slappy. Swanson. First obstacle down.
One-handed driving. Last time we did this was on mini bikes, and I remember it being really tough on mini bikes. I don't know about an FC, but I remember a big, long, giant rock garden, so we'll see how this goes.
You gonna drive down that?
Go for it. You break it, you buy it.
What do you think about it so far?
It's incredibly capable. Yeah.
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 A lot more than you think, huh?
Absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely.
taking you to prison. Where are we going, Matt?
This is the distillery, the Brushy Mountain Distillery and restaurant. Alright, so at the end there, that was Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. It's a pretty cool place, very close to Windrock. If you're ever there, go check it out. A lot of neat history there. So, we, after we visited there, we drove back to Windrock, and we helped Dave load it up on his truck and trailer, and he's driven it back to Chicago. I've asked him, hopefully he will make a Instagram page or something so you guys can keep track of this thing, keep track of his adventures. But we'll see if he does that. And we've got a lot more great content coming up, so don't go anywhere. As always, we're going to have some killer videos and builds coming up, so stay tuned for that.